In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and embed a quiz on your Squarespace website using TryInteract. We will start by setting up your quiz, move on to embedding it on your site, and finally test it to ensure everything is functioning perfectly. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to navigate to TryInteract. If you haven't done so already, take a moment to either sign up for a new account or log in to your existing one. Once you're in, you'll see a vibrant dashboard. Here you'll click on the Create New Quiz button. Now it's time to choose the type of quiz you'd like to create. There are three options: personality, scored, or assessment. Each one offers a unique way to engage your audience. Choose the one that best fits your goals. After selecting your quiz type, you can either pick a ready-made template to save time or start from scratch if you prefer a more personalized touch. Next, let's personalize your quiz. Begin by editing the questions and answers. This is your chance to make the quiz engaging and relevant to your audience. After modifying the questions, focus on setting up the results or outcomes. Craft clear, informative results that offer value to your participants. You can then move on to the design aspects. Adjust the colors, fonts, and branding to align with your brand identity. This adds a professional touch and keeps everything consistent with your existing website design. Optionally, you might want to configure lead capture. This feature allows you to collect participants' email addresses before they receive the results, which is a great way to build your mailing list. Once you're happy with all these modifications, go ahead and click on the Publish button to make your quiz live. With your quiz ready, let's get it prepared for your Squarespace website. Still in TryInteract, open your quiz and click on Share and Embed. Here you'll want to select Embed Code. You'll see a JavaScript code snippet. Carefully copy this snippet. It's the key to integrating your quiz into your website. Now head over to your Squarespace site. Navigate to the specific page where you want your quiz to appear. Once there, enter the editing mode by clicking Edit. You'll need to add a new element. Do this by selecting Add a Block and choose a code block. In this block, paste the TryInteract embed code you copied earlier. Once you've done this, click Apply to confirm the changes. Finally, make sure to save the page. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, refresh the page on your Squarespace site. Your newly embedded TryInteract quiz should load just as you envisioned it. Now is the time to test it out completely. Answer the questions, navigate through the quiz, and double check that the results are displaying as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully created an engaging, interactive quiz using TryInteract and embedded it on your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching and happy quizzing.